The biggest mistake what beginners make, they want to finish their brush like a professionals. But the most important thing what you have to remember, only with mastering your skills you will be able to finish it straight away perfectly. In today's video I will show you how to finish the edge very neatly and beautiful. Even if you are a beginner, this option will be just perfect for you, because you don't need to be so specific for every stitch. You will have a bit of flexibility there, but in the meantime this result will be just gorgeous. Before I started to create such a perfectly neat brushes like I have here, I still wanted to have already my product to sell, because it's always nice when you create something, you can gift it or you can sell it. I started with this option and I was and am till now very happy with my first brushes. In today's video we will finish our beginner friendly brush. How to create this brush you can find in description below this video link, or I will leave it up here so you can start and finish this brush neatly and correctly for beginners. First of all, circle our pattern to the felt, then cut it out. Measure. Even if your felt from the back side is not perfectly straight and aligns well with your edge, that's fine. But of course on my channel you will find more professional ways how you can finish it, but today we continue with this easy pattern. I will mark tiny dots. And now I will work with my backside felt. For it I take my pin, I take double thread, secure it. Your knot should be on the back side, it will be inside our brush and under our brush pin. Take your pin and enter into our brush pin and sew it to the felt from one side and from another side. So basically you do simple stitches to our thick felt. Few stitches from other side and then we pass to the second hole. I did 3 times from both sides, 3 here, 3 here, 3, 3. Now I take our future brush, I put everything together and I will pass one time through brush, just to secure it on the place for easy work. Carefully, don't take any of our seed beads with your thread. And from another side, as you can see, I pass with my thread this way, like diagonal. You can avoid this step as well, but it will be easier for us to work after, and plus you add extra security to your brush pin and to your brush. You like connect all the parts together, but be careful here with your thread. this way. I will take my clear glue. I have here Gorilla Glue. Don't use super glue, which becomes very stiff. You just use your super glue, but which is flexible, like this one, Gorilla, or E7000. I heard it's good as well, but I didn't try it yet. I tried E6000, but something wasn't working for me with E6000, and I found this Gorilla Glue. Wait a bit, don't put too much. Now, when I have too much felt, I will cut it away. As you can see, my edge is not so perfect like I usually do in my brooches for sale. But in this technique, to finish your edge, you don't need a perfect edge of the back side. So here you can choose, or you work with single thread, or you will work with double. I will make my thread single. Instead of double, I will pass through the same spot couple of times, and I will cut one of my threads. And we will use gold seed beads, same as we use for our outline. And we take. Here you can see how many seed beads you will need for your edge. 3 seed beads. You pierce our back side felt and you come out from our front this way. Again, you take 3 seed beads, you go around our edge, pierce next to our previous line and pull. That's it. This how easy will be our edge, and you will hide all the felt, both of them, and in the meantime you hiding, as your thread is the same color of your felt and our seed beads are hiding all these stitches. You don't need to think about perfect line on your back side and finish it as I did for this cross brooch. As you can see here, you see all the stitches and all our seed beads should be perfectly aligned, one next to each other, and all is with leather. This is more advanced creation, but for the beginner this will be perfect. And I had a lot of brooches from the beginning made with this kind of technique, and I already sold them and they looked beautiful. And like that we continue all our back side. 3 seed beads, and we just sew on our felt together. And now I am almost finished my edge. And here will be last stitch. If you, for example, don't like when you see a bit of felt, you always can take 1 seed bead and sew it where it's needed, this way. As you can see, even if your stitch somewhere is longer, somewhere is shorter, it still look neat from the back side. So this is such a beginner friendly idea. In the meantime, I really like how this kind of edge looks like, because it gives this extra volume to our brooch. It doesn't look flat anymore, and from the sides it's gold, as you can see, very beautiful, and from the back side it is as well neat. For you to finish your brooch fast, because in our journey it's very important when you start, if you want to understand, do you like this hobby or would you like to sell this kind of products, to finish your first idea fast. This was my saver and I share it with you. I think I shared it first time on my channel, this beginner friendly edge finishing, and I think it will be a game changer for you. What else we can do? Here we can, and I will do so, we just make a knot. As you can see with the felt, it's very easy. Just go here and there a few times, make a knot, try to do all the knots under our seed beads in the edges this way. Here I will cut my thread, but if you want to add some more interesting details to this brooch, you can continue with sewing on seed beads to the felt one by one, the same way as we did for our petals in the tutorial I shared with you in the beginning. You can fill in all the felt on our back side with seed beads this way, and like that it will be all covered with seed beads. But for our beginner friendly tutorial, I think this is nice option for you. As I won't finish it with seed beads, I will just cut my thread and my brooch is ready. I think it's stunning, really beautiful, really beautiful result. I am very happy, and I think I need to I need to start to create these kind of edges as well, as it is much faster, much easier to create, and result is beautiful. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this brooch, and don't forget that soon will be our second daisy brooch with upgrades. I will show how you can make it a bit more interesting with a bit different design but with the same pattern.